Hi guys, welcome back to InfoDudes, your go-to channel for software engineering tips, coding guide and project insights. Today we are diving into the Python web framework, FastAPI, Flask and Django. If you are wondering which Python framework you should choose for your next project, stay tuned. आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे pros and cons of each, which one is best for different types of the project, how to select the right one for you. So basically Python offer a lot of web framework to build web application, but these three are the most important one, most popular one that is used. So let's see what are those. So fast API is designed for the speed and modern for the web development. Fast API have very high performance for building the APIs. As name suggests, it's a fast one in the all the framework available. इसका सबसे बड़ा फीचर है टाइप हिंट का यूज़ करना. इट ऑटोमेटिकली जनरेट द API documentation that is a swagger which I'll be showing you in some minute. And next one is a Flask. Flask is a micro framework that is a lighter weight and very flexible. Flask is used when we need to design very small application, routing based template we can use. बाकी सब कुछ लाइक डेटाबेस इंटीग्रेशन, एप्लीकेशन ऑथेंटिकेशन आपको ये सब खुद से ऐड करना पड़ता है यूजिंग एक्सटेंशंस. Flask is a great for small and medium application if you need total control over the architecture. And the third one is a Django. Django is a full stack framework. Django is a full stack framework. It comes with everything you need out of the box, like admin panel, database management, form handling, even ORM management also. Django is made for the larger application, complex one that you need to build lot of the feature and scalable from the starting only. So let's discuss pros and cons of the fast API. It is extremely faster as name suggests, and it is asynchronous ready, great for the building the API. It also provides automatic documentation, that is Swagger, which you can see on the screen. When you create a APIs, it automatically create all this document, that put method, post method, delete, get, everything is ready. It is built-in feature. And one con is like it is not suitable for the complex and large application. Now coming to our next one is pros and cons of the Flask. Flask is suitable for the lighter weight and flexible. It is very easy to start, allow you to pick own tools which you need. Also con is like lot of third-party libraries required to build a Flask application. Now coming to Django, pros and cons of the Django. As already told you, it come everything out of the box like security, ORM templates, admin panel, everything come in the Django. It's a highly scalable and great for the complex application like shopping application like that. Two cons are there, like it is heavier than the Flask and fast API, very less flexibility, you cannot modify its like admin panels and ORM management thing. It is very difficult in that, like you need to learn from starting to end everything. Now coming to which one you should choose, which one is best for your. Suppose you are designing an application which have only the REST framework and you need a performance and asynchronous process, you can choose a fast API. And suppose if you are building a small application with maximum flexibility, then you should go for the Flask. And like you are designing a very large application and you need every feature, every built-in feature should be there, then you should go for the Django. Wrap up on the Python web framework. I hope this help you to decide whether to use fast API, Flask or Django for your next project. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe. Let me know in the comment which framework you prefer, and also let me know on which topic you do need next video. Thanks for watching. This is InfoDude signing off.